Good morning, guys. I'm at Hobby Lobby. Obviously, wearing a mask, so it's kind of hard to talk these days, being outside, but yeah, I'm at Hobby Lobby. Let me show you what I already have in my cart. I went in on some holiday decorations. I actually came here for Halloween stuff, but I haven't been finding anything, so I decided to get some more gingerbread stuff for the kitchen. And now I'm trying to figure out my ribbon situation. I want new ribbon this year for the tree. I think I want to do plaid. That's new. These are all new. Wow, look at this blue. So pretty. I'm absolutely in love with this. This is the prettiest ribbon I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. I feel like for some odd reason, whenever I put on a movie that's different from what I normally watch, I never vlog it. So it constantly looks like I repeatedly watch the same movie over and over, which I do, but I do actually take breaks and watch other things. So I'm watching Drowning Mona, which I've never actually watched this movie. So it's on Amazon Prime, and which means it's free if you have a Prime membership. So I'm watching that. I'm taking a break. I've been filming multiple videos back to back. I made myself a sandwich and these sour cream and added the sour cream chips. Plus I got myself a little Coke, which is hilarious because I always say that I only have this during vacation, but clearly I don't. I have my laptop over here too. This is uploading a video for my main channel. Loxy's over there. So I filmed my Monday video, my Tuesday video, and then I want to film my Wednesday video. So all of that in one day for my main channel, because Wednesday is going to be really exciting. We're going to go to a pumpkin patch and I'm going to vlog it. So my daughter and I are going to go to this pumpkin patch in Dallas, and I'm going to take you guys with me, and I want to get some pumpkins. Yeah, so I'm just on a little lunch break. Then I'm going to film my Wednesday video, and editing and all that stuff later, so this is just my lunch break. Alright, my daughter was doing class over here and we didn't finish opening up the blinds. Project that I want to start today for my living room decor, I want to cut out some bats and do the whole bat thing that I'm sure some of you have seen all over the place. It is really cute, so I can completely understand why everyone wants to do it. Oh, I don't want to mess up my puzzle, but this is not for the bats, this is for the skulls. And I went and got donuts. I got up this morning and I was doing a little bit of reading. I finished Mercy and I moved on to Slow Burn yesterday. And I pretty much almost finished it yesterday. And I'll show you guys the donuts because that's the best part. So in this cute little bag, we have donut holes for my daughter. So she asked for donut holes. How adorable is that? And then in here, ta-da! Honestly, I always thought chocolate was my favorite, but a good old-fashioned glazed donut is almost unbeatable. And then this is, I think, like a cronut. It's like a croissant and a donut. And then look at those berries, you guys. Oh my gosh. But this donut is insane. Like, I love food. I love food. Fruit is fresh. The bite with the raspberry. Oh my god, I need to add some of my own raspberries to this. That's magical. That's magical. Y'all. This dog does the y'all. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna open up some stuff that I got in the P.O. box. You guys, before I open it up, thank you so much. I know I say this every time I mention the P.O. box, but truly, you do not have to send me anything. But thank you so much. Oh. Yes. Cactus flower and jasmine, lavender tea. Wow, did you make this yourself? Oh, they're the same one? Holy moly, that smells good, and I'm not into flowery stuff. The lavender, yes, I do love lavender, but the jasmine, I'm not into that, but it smells so good. Oh my god, that's crazy. And they're beautiful too. Thank you so much, Jessica. I didn't even see that. Sure. You did make it. Aww. That's so sweet. I love that. Thank you so much. Like P.O. box stuff from like 3 houses ago. I'm just gonna tell you guys, whenever I receive gifts, and not even just from you guys, but like in general, I don't know how to, I don't even know what the word is, like, not accept, because I find it incredibly amazing that people want to send me thoughtful gifts. It's just, I've just never been good at I guess, like, taking a compliment or being good at clearly seeing that I'm loved. I don't know how to do it. I think that it could be connected to the fact that my birthday's on Christmas, and when I was younger, I was absolutely just like petrified of people like saying happy birthday to me. Like, I'm better about it now, but I think that it's like has something to do with that. So it's really hard for me to like get, you know, I don't even know, but okay, so, oh, Canada. Oh, how beautiful is this note. I love the letters. The letters are so cool. She's telling me about where she works, and I love how she's describing the town and a river. I love that. That P.S., Andrea, that Andrea or Andrea, That PS. That's hilarious. Hey. The word single is what caught my eye in that statement. Okay, so she got me these sticky. Oh, I see what this is now. Look how cool this is. This is like from a Dollarama, I think that she said. And look at that. But I think you get all of this in here. Wow. Look at this one. Another one. Oh my god. Can you imagine if this was at Dollar Tree? I would lose my ever-loving mind. Oh my god, I love this one. We have to open this. Oh my gosh, that's darling. If this was found at Dollar Tree, it would be bedlam. Is that the right word? Bedlam? Bedlam? Oh my gosh, I love it. Look how cute the stickers are. They are really cute. I love the pastels. If I saw this at Dollar Tree, this would end up in my cart. Like, we all know it. So cute. And then, oh my god, I love this. A keychain, but it has like Canada on it. And the moose, is that right? Is that a moose? Oh my, I love this. See, this is really cool because then for me, it's like I get a part of you and the world that, you know, you live in. I'm definitely gonna add this to my keychain. Thank you so much, Andrea, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but thank you. Holy moly! This one has a ton of Christmas books. Oh, and I'm here for it. Oh my gosh. What in the world? This is so sweet. Is there a letter? I don't see a letter. Maybe it's inside one of the books. Let's see. Oh, look at the inside of that book. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, these are stunning. They're the kind of books that I would put like out for Christmas. I think, yeah, I definitely have to. Oh, this one, I love this one. It's so traditional and reminds me a little bit of my childhood. I don't see a note. Oh, here. Is this it? I'm glad I looked. Oh. Thank you, Nani. Thank you so much. Oh, Denton, Texas. Okay. We are not that far off from each other. Wow, thank you so much. I'm definitely going to put these up here and make sure that, oh wow, $19.99. Was that my favorite one? Oh no, not $19.99. Oh, I mean, it's beautiful. Definitely stunning. Is it the one? Oh yeah, it's the one with this interior. Oh my gosh, I love it. Just the fact that it says $19.99, like, that's it. Like, I'm done. Your handwriting is amazing. Oh my gosh, I do the same thing. I will wait for like my favorite YouTuber to post a bunch of videos and then like I try to be so patient and then I go back and watch all of them at one time. Aww. Yes, 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 yes. You love gardening? I do too. I love this note. Oh, you sent me tea. Thank you. The notes are my favorite. Oh my, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Hang on, let me read this letter. Stop it. Teresa, stop it. you so much. Okay, so she got me Girls Trip. This movie is hilarious. If you've never seen this, I don't know what to tell you. This one. She's too much. She's too much. When they go to, I think this is the one where they go to New Orleans, right? When they do the swing, the swing and the, okay. Anyway, let me show you what Teresa did. Peta?